So how do you guys co-parent then? If is still behaving the same or change it?
I'm not co-parenting with anyone. I've got my kids like this. Akekho nje umuntu ongathi uke weza nePampers wangisiza
Is it because of when you have ngabela ukuthi beze bazo co-parent, or is because of they took a decision of disappearing?
Yeah.
That
first one, you remember I told you ukuthi wangila wathi ngana ka iPhone blah blah blah. Mfana would actually call umntwana na 4 months I want my daughter. Mfana bedelela loyana. I want my daughter. Hey sharp. Ngitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe use right. Yabo. Hayi ngithi akakaza thenge even but into engayibona ukuthi I keep on hurting myself ngaye nje into engekho cause ngiyabona ukuthi lento engiyenzayo ayikho nayi. Wangifonela ngisekhaya, I took my money sase Newcastle ngakabuyi the side ngagibela nomntana wakhe ngamlethela umntana wakhe after ethe akamfuni after embarrassed in front of ifamily wangitshela the way mina he kwasha kwacima ingane engekho ready ngayo ngakhona. Even his sister went on to say phambi kwabazali bami ukuthi mina ngayishelela umfana.
Sure.
We understand?
Yeah.
So the time ngithi angifuni ukuyakhaba kuleyo mfana ngangazi ukuthi ngibhekene nani because already I can tell ukuthi lo muntu lo
wamqoma kanjani kanti wena? Beka right ekuthomeni.
Story sisuka no chomi. But this thing ekhaya nje bengafuna ukuthi ngihambe nani yabona.
Yeah.
Hayi ngihambe nomngane umngane amasambe semavimbeni. Kuna chila sinyana sort of has first time no chomi chile kube mnandi nangumshita la. Oh okay angibheka sibhekane uyabona kube naleyo connection exchange ama number kanti umjito uhamba ne girlfriend yakhe ne hayi uhamba
ne didn't knew by then
no ngaze sengimnikeze le ma number ukuthi okay uhamba ne girlfriend okay but wacilela ama number anyway kwabona lento ukuthi uhamba nomuntu wakhe okay sharp uphume kuyo yabo so usisi wakhe was there at a time ukuthi so mayeqala efika bese ayeza umjito silo sicheckana and if there's one thing about me that guy we always used the protection. We always used the protection. Up until I don't know what happened one day because I remember ngithi iqhumile or whatever.
Yes.
But at that time anginangane ngisaqeda nje kuphuma high school ngiyaqeda qala ukusebenza so izinto eziningi uyabona nje ukuthi uzokuthi umele uhambe uyofunana na morning after pill and everything it never occurred. You understand how okay iqhumile okay then later ngiyezwa man something is different emabele nami it doesn't feel right uyabo athi umngana wami meet wena ngithi hey awungiyeke wena vele so besilokho engilanda vele sicheckana yonke into right.
So it wasn't that relationship which it could escalate into another level gcine sifika endabeni yomshado?
No, it was just a relationship nje sakhula sabantwana ama relationship umntwana and stuff like that.
Yeah, okay.
Ama relationship obuntwana and stuff. So sasizwana nje ngaleyo ndlela leyo and azange kube nenkinga hayi ngiyakulanda shapa ngilanda ekhaya ngiyekhaya kubo nani yabo. So mase ngimitha ke manje she's like no I'm not ready to have a child.
Why don't you go to the court and maintain this then?
A lot of people have actually told me that. I don't know, maybe I think it's because of nanami the pride. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, angazi nami pride. But nje ngazitshela nje ukuthi you know what, something that doesn't bring me peace. I distance myself from it.
Okay, because like they must support these kids like.
I think I'm going to go now.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to go now.
Yeah, I mean babhizi badla imali nabanye abafazi lapha.
Kamnandi kanjani?
And they forgot ukuthi banabantwana.
iPhone ingane yakhe one day ngisuke ngapha ngubhuti wami weStoneri firstborn kumntana kamama.
Yeah.
Ngisukile ngifikile okay sharp. Angifonele futhi umfana because wayenokuthula mamanzi aphinda phone athi I want my daughter adelele nje ngima ngiqala sihlezi silwa all the time yabo ayi okay one day athi man kube ukuthi besikhuluma nje athi no uyaxolisa for everything that happened he wants to change blah 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 cela ngilethe umntwana nasekhaya kuba bayamfuna umntwana he's from Free State bayamfuna umntwana ukuthi bambone and stuff like that ucela ukuthi nje ngilethe umntwana okay umntwana at that time she was 4 months ngithi mina imali athi sohlangana eJozi yabo athi if you can just have imali yokuthi usuke eWestern area uze Jozi sizohlangana kuphi eJozi right
okay
mina ngishayisa ngobani sohlangana eJozi ngo5 asho ukuthi ushayisa ngo4 or whatever lama taxi vele aya kuphi Esprit sharp hayi nami ngine 60 rand I remember kule 60 rand 25 rand ukusuka eWestern area ngize Jozi okay mangifika eJozi sengiyamfonela ke manje mfana akasayibambi ifone sekusizoba sebusuku sekukhwalele phela manje akasayibambi ifone
awunayo imali ukuyile emuva
ngine 60 rand remember
okay,
so ngingacabanga ukuthi ngijike ngibuyele emuva like why manje don't me futhi again ngithatha itaxi kusuka eSprite ukusuka eJozi eSprite kwaku 13 rand at the time ngihambe ngeSprite ngifike ekhaya kubo kugcwele nje kubusy nana eroomini hayi ekhaya kubo roomini lakhe kugcwele nje isiphithiphithi ayi ngene endlini enkulu ngihlala hayibo sesibakha hayi sama nana ungiba nayo le ntombazana sharp sifike sichile like kube right bahambe babahamba shuthi nje yena wayelambile lo mfana because wayefuna into ka1 nje kuphela ngafika okay sharp ngasalala ekseni lo mfana wangivusa ngo4 ekseni
yo
I didn't think ukuthi ngiyahamba mina wangivusa ngo4 ekseni wathi siyahamba
ngo
4 am waye emsebenzini yena
yeah
ngisamangele kanjalo I was like hey yeah wathi siyahamba ngavuka ngagqoka ngizangigeza nokugeza ngavuka ngagqoka ngathatha umntwana ngambeka emqolo umntwana at the time waye ngangibreastfeed food because I couldn't afford formula sahamba masihamba from ekhaya kubo kuye emateksini ayeJozi kwakuye a bit of a distance sahamba la indleleni athi uhamba kancane and amateksi ayagcwala laphana ithi ngifike ngibambe iline then uzongithola elayinini ngithi okay
yo
fike elayinini akekho hayi uzongithola eCarlton Center ngizofika ngikhipha imali eyokugcina ke lena manje ngithathe leyo yokugcina ngibele ngiye kuphi Carlton Center phone eCarlton Center akasayibambi ke phone sengiphelelwe ke manje
yo
sengiphelelwe I can't call my brother at this time of ekseni ngithi ngixakekile watwa ngawalk bra ngangitsho ukuthi ngiye Western Area ngenyawo ngawalk I remember ngahamba and eJozi at that time kumnyama ma building and everything ngathi as long as ngekho in one place for igebengu ukuthi zingibone and stuff like that ngawalk yani I walked ngagcina sengiyibona ngise we dead end egate lase UJ angazi ukuthi UJ yako playana mangithi istrada siyaphelela la angikhona ukuthi ngiqhubekele ngale mangithi phezulu there's a bit of a park ngakhuphuka ngaya phezulu ngahlala ngancindisa umntwana
yo at the time ukhathele ulambile and then umntwana maybe uyakhala
ngihamba ngama-pumps
why this boy was behaving like this
hayi yabona makuthiwa umuntu kwajola nomuntu okunyenyayo I remember seeing another post emunye ugela ethi awukazi uzwana nomuntu le mfana wayengizonda lo yana it just occurred now ukuthi kahle le mfana wayenginyanya ngazi ukuthi wayenginyenyiswa yini but wayenginyanya le mfana that boy never loved me wayengizonda worst part ngiphethe ingane yakhe 4 months sharp ngifike ngincilisa umntwana I remember ngasala ne150 ephaketheni ngilambile ke manje eze ngilambile kanjalo kunomunye mama oyithengisa amaskopasi ngathenga amaskopasi e150 ngawadla ngaqhubeka nendlela ngahamba sing amabhodi abhalwe Mill Park Tontoni ngiyahamba angazi ukuthi ngihamba ngiyapi until this one driver webus way drive metro bus baba khona amisi bus athi niyapi and then I told him ukuthi nge Western Area athi lo balo uye Western Area ngeenyawo ngithi mina yes actually going to Western Area ngeenyawo athi what happened ngihamba manga ngisho ukuthi ngibanjwe inkunzi bla 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 athi gibele ebhasini ngigibele athi ngimiswe ilengane semqolo bengengize ngimi ukuthi like ufunani la nengane angithatha athi okay amatheksi wathola lapha ngimtshela ukuthi 1 ras afika ngishiye park station anginikeze abuza ukuthi malini ngimtshela ukuthi 25 rand anginikeze 25 rand ngigibele ngihambe ngehle Western Area kwakukhona intombi yabhuti wami endlini first thing engayenza ngafika ngadiliza umntwana futhi umntwana wayelele throughout the whole journey like wayelele ngabeka umntwana esayidini ngalala bafo ngangikhathele ngangilambile ngama palms inyawo zibhlungu ngalala and umbali never asked me anything girlfriend yabhodwa wami ngavuka ngamxoxela istory and she's the only person I told. I never even told my sister lo ngithi usishero mama naye.
Yeah.
I never told anyone. I was not bengithi mangicabanga le ndaba leyana ngicabanga nokuningi nje sengidlule kona nalomfana nokuthi ekhaya sengixoshiwe ke futhi manje nani because ngixoshwe senginemntwana phela ekhaya. And I remember uxoshwa kwami ekhaya it was just during that period ngaxoshwa before ngimhambisa oqala umntwana ekhaya kubo sharp then wase ngimbusela kwesithu manje hayi ngithi ngiyandlula ekhaya ngithi ngayobabona so manje noma sekuthiwa sengistranded lana umfana ngiyambona I can't go home kula iduzana mavimbela nansi thokoza nansi ekhaya kula I couldn't go home because ngixoshiwe ngizongena ngithini I'm no longer welcomed, you understand? Ngahamba ke ngenyawo kanjalo and then i-makeup yami shem ngifakeleni
fanele sifune makeup artist la phela zokuthi puff
you understand so ngahlala ke okay ngamtshela usisi wami umfazi kamfowethu ukuthi hey mfethu inhliziyo yakhe yababhlungu kamna khona la yababhlungu I never told anyone right there and then that is when I realized ukuthi lomfana lo uyanginyanya lomfana lo akafuni anything to do with me and ngizamile from ngipregnant eloke ngenza so engibiza enzani sengithola umntwana still usangenza the very same thing you understand ngathatha a decision that day ukuthi I'm gonna delete ama number akhe ngingagcina ukudelete ama number ngathatha sim card ngayihlafuna I threw away the sim card ngangaba nama engangwazi futhi ama number akhe ngikhanda but ngangaba nama number akhe ngamiyeka ngangamfonela athi noma ufonile like ngangimblock ngiphume again until my daughter was 2 years I remember ngageza one day bese ngisebenza ke futhi lapho ngase ngisebenza eShoprite mina like people that actually helped me in this life it's people that I met along the way kuno ngisese kusisi wami ngithi lapha so I eShoprite one day abona umunye ugele sasikhula naye emakhaya igama lakho Sinethemba athi hawu yazi uPopi ngihlala naye so yazi ufuna umsebenzi athi hayi lethe CV yakhe vele nje bafuna umuntu futhi azange ku-interview azange wakhuluma nje ne-manager yakhe ngangena sengingena mina emsebenzini you understand and ungazi ukuthi Shoprite kungenwa kanjani at that time lokubhizi uyibuza angitholele umsebenzi umngani wami ngageza one day ngathi I want to see something ukuthi mangimbona lo mfana kuzokwenzakalani ngifuna ukubona ukuthi am I really over him after yonke leminyaka ngageza ngaba muhle ngageza umntana wami muhle naye ngahamba ngayikhaya kubo fika thola uanti wakhe nosisi wakhe lo munye basabathi bani uzama hayibo zama uwe awusemuhle bathe uthe nje sikubone kahle I was like no for in and ngambona I didn't feel anything and I was like thank God but I'm not going to lie and say noma ngamxolela I learned to forgive him cause ngangibona ukuthi whatever I affect mina you understand
and then I'm affect next
yeah understand and he would always like mntanami angilwise bra he never bought even ipampers for umntwana ngathi you know what I need to forgive this guy I forgave him even though engalicela ngixolo ngathi let me just forgive him ngamxolela then kwabanja I'm not going to lie and say namhlanje sangizwe kuhlungu it's been more than 10 years mntanami una 10 uzoyenza 11 ngoFebruary
oh okay
it's been more than 10 years but every time mangizokhuluma ngayo yangizwisa ubuhlungu because of umenza kanjani umuntu so ngabe ngabanje unkunzi ngabe ngarejwa ngabe ngenziwani you understand
a lot of things could have happened
yes uyangizonda ngale ndlela ngizonda ngayo but
be a human being for one time
ungangiyeki ke lapha uye kuloku busy ufuna ukwenza ngazathi mhlawumbe you wanna be part of impilo yomntwana where else you know very well ukuthi nje the only thing ufuna ukuyenza it was never enough ukuthi wangizwisa ubuhlungu ngipregnant wangishiya nengane he wanted to come back again and again zoyenzani fake speaker you know
so since then zange ukukhuluma naye
no ngingahambisa umntwana nini mina you know I'm this type of a woman ukuthi as much as ngithi angeke ngize ngikuforce ukuthi ulandelele umntwana nani
Yeah.
but I do want my kids to know ukuthi baba khubani regardless ukuthi akamenzeli lutho or whatever ngeke ngamhambisa ekhaya kubona not so long ago was it 2 years back. Yeah, 2 years back. Ngamhambisa umntwana sekamdala ke khane se understand ke manje. Oh babami, yabo, because ngagcina umisa na 2 years. Ngamhambisa, ngafika futhi ekhaya kuba like, "Ha zama. Yami imali." Okay, bamcela ukuthi alale. Naye sham being excited. Mama ngiyalala ngithi ulala.
Don't you think the same situation could have happened to them?
Exactly.
Your situation could have happened to them.
Abantwana.
Yes, like the way kwenzakele kuwe. Then why are you taking them to there?
No, if there's one thing angeke ngithi ngideny umntwana. Angeke ngideny umntwana, but into ekhona njengamanje I'm here for my kids. It's not going to be the same noma ngathiwa kuyazama because uzoziyela yena angifuni kusasa buya athi ubaba umama akho maybe denied me wena nani iba there mzama kumfonela umbono ukuthi okay fine uthi mntana nami ngizokwenzela akuthembise into engekho uzozibonela wena as a child because of I don't want you coming to me and say mama wangivimba iopportunity ukuthi ngazobaba you understand angeke futhi ngize ngiye kumntwana ngimtshela ukuthi babakho wangenza 1 2 3 because of akahlangana you understand
That's a very powerful
akahlangana.
And many parents, they struggle with that, yes?
Yeah.
Especially women, they struggle with that to separate the two between izimpi zabo zabazali and they put umntwana in between, you know?
That's not the case. As much as I went through a lot, but angifuni umntwana nami ngithi, mayike washo, namanje bekafuna ukumfonela, ngingamthole efonini. Okay, emalangeni nje umtholile babakhe. Like a bit, mama baba, ngithi awangeni mosnaki. Ngigcine ngithola uanti wakhe ke sharp, wanginikeza amanamba akhe. Samfonela baby uright ngifuna ukukubona uyaxoxa naye umntana nami ukuthi noma bekuthi ukhuluma nobabakhe she would actually go out ayokhuluma ngaphandle ayohleba that excitement. So who am I to take that away from her?
No, you can't.
I can't. Yabona as much as nema kuthiwa ngigowile empilweni mina if there's one thing about me I want to see my kids happy.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna do whatever it takes. And kangangokuthi happiness yabo irregardless ukuthi iza ngoba bakhe maye emhethile I'm gonna be there to comfort them and tell them ukuthi you don't need to go back there. But as long as ingakabi khona lokho it's fine. Mina I'm gonna be here ukuthi for anything should it happen ukuthi ufeel somehow at least you've got a mom ozokwazi ukuthi ubuye kuyena I think yeah understand. Then when they're old enough maybe I can just try and explain to them what really happened.
I want us to go back to your sister. We're about to close now, but I want us to go back to your sister. How is your relationship between you and her now?
The relationship begathi siyazama. They actually fetched me last year bengilanda nje Romin nabo bhuti bami sizodla Christmas for the first time in years sahamba sadla Christmas ke leyo into yaba right. Now I'm posting this video about umjolo wami wala emarathon wabhuma. I'm posting manje about this guy wangigila, you understand? So for yena I think it is a trigger because of uyazi ukuthi ngagileka vele babe khona because what I said with the video I don't understand ngathi wawukuphi ngilo mfana engikhipha ngo4 ekseni, you understand? Then to a point ukuthi ngaxoshwa mina ekhaya yabo, but I don't want to dwell on that one. She then comes ngibona ivideo yakho umoya wami ubuhlungu zama ngithe nje ngisendele voice note kade ngangifuna ukuyisenda umoya wami ubuhlungu ngithi abona ke namhlanje uzongithola ke kahle lo you're just busy talking about a family as if we are the baddest people ever abantu ababo kwahlangana nabo every time ukhuluma ngefamily ngithi yipi family bra ngeke ngakhuluma ngathi ngefamily yakho because the only thing it's just me nomjolo wami out there ngikhuluma ngomjolo wami it has nothing to do with your family udliwa ilento ekudlayo wena because of
what you did.
Yes. And even na before akusekoqala uyenza lento lena last ngazi ngangipostele ku Facebook ngijabulile ngisekhaya eNewcastle she then came and said you are portraying us ngathi lalela lana I don't care guys, you've never been a part of my life for a very long time. Athi inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu so wenza ngazathi manje just because of umama bekakhona it's not our fault ukuthi baba waba nengane ngaphandle.
Sure, now he's venting.
Yeah. And then I was like, oh okay, ngathi I never said it was your mom's responsibility angizange ibe responsibility yamamakho for the first time ngithi umamakho because I always called her mom.
Yeah.
Ngathi angizange ibe responsibility yamamakho, you understand?
Yeah.
So ngathi you know what, when nje you've been a bully for a very long time and this time around nginekwami yethi ngihlala eroomini but kukwami la I live by my rules. I don't have to answer to you. Wathi ngizokublock awangiblock kusiza ngani vele you've never been a part of my life for a very long time.
Uyafuna like wherever you go like
wherever I go
like
wherever I go because even noma ngiba pregnant with my second child she went to my other sister and like I envy a relationship that you have with Uzama wenza ngani he athi sihlayi wena uyini le oyenzayo kuyena abantu basekhaya angaze ngibatshele mina what I went through in that house I always they thought ukuthi ngihleli kamnandi egoli abantu bakhabo mama so it's going to be a surprise namanje mabethi you understand
yeah sure